Hi, guys. It's Rita Stevens, the founder of Silent Voices, where we want you to have a voice in your child's health, in their care, in their daily living. Yesterday, I was listening to a YouTube video, and the young lady was, it's a trade and travel with Terry. She interviews different people who've made a million of something. So this one young lady that she was interviewing, she was talking about how she had made her millions. And one of the things she said, which was a huge nugget, I just wanted to share this with you guys, is that she doesn't do anything without a team. And what she also does in order to get a whole bunch of things done is she actually hyper focuses for 90 days. So something that she really wants to get done, she will focus on that thing for 90 days, get it done, and then she'll go on to the next thing. So it just kind of made me think about, as a parent with a child with special needs, we have so many different things going on, and we have a whole list of things that we need to get done. So I thought maybe that may be a concept for us to also embrace, is maybe we need to hyper focus